Okay, George, just wanted to show you. We've soaked this. Did you soak it? Did you soak it Sunday or just Saturday?
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday, and Monday.
and today Monday. Okay, so we've had substantial improvement in soak up. So the boat's still going to have to be soaked up, obviously. But if you're going to leave it in the water, that's a non-issue. We do have an issue right here, and that we're just going to solve. We think we're going to solve with just refastening. The plank seems to be pulling away from the chine right here, so hopefully that's a real simple refasten job. If the screws spin in the chine, then that's not a simple refastening job, but it's still not an expensive job. It's a very small area. The water, we'll probably add a screw or two right here on this plank as well. And then the rest of this water that you see coming off is not coming from the plank seam. It's coming from the plank seams basically under the boat and running off, running out of boat to run down. It's just adhering to the boat, seeing the way those gutters work, those fancy gutter guards work. But anyway, it's just adhering to the bottom of the boat. And then when it gets to the end, there's nothing else to attach to. So that's, anyway, Bill's pump worked today. It had been, well, Bill's pump's been working every day. It had been running continuously and not shutting off. Today it shut off, and only for a few seconds, but it is keeping up and shutting off. So that's all real good news. Just wanted to fill you in on the progress and the other little issue that we found that we will address for you. And we're gonna get started on the stripping perhaps today. I'm not sure. We may need to stay out of the Craftsman's way with the stripping because of this right here. So, and then the areas that are bubbled, there's an area that's bubbled right there. We had them as a separate item, and to get them repaired, we really need to go ahead. There was also some of the furniture was bubbled on the back. So to get that repaired, we need to go ahead with that now. I might, in hopes, we kind of have hopes that we can fit that all within the 26.5 budget for strip and refinish. Perhaps we can, but if not, I wanted to get your approval to go ahead and attack those spots. And then, like I say, if we can fit it in, we will. We're not gonna spend all your money if we don't have to spend all your money. So to get the job done. So just wanted to mention that. Also, you wanted the chrome done, and we needed to get you another gas cap because there's the wrong gas cap, and you requested a new one. James is working on that. I wanted to make sure you were aware that this is stainless, and this is not chromed. So this won't look any different than it does now, unless you'd like me to attack the stainless. I would recommend that we replace this piece right here that's badly dented, and that we buff this piece. And let's see, transom strap is chrome plated, and that doesn't look too bad. Oh, that is, well, it'll go in with a chrome, duh. These are normally chrome plated on a Century. Stainless on this side, let's see here, is in relatively good condition, other than, the chrome's going to make it look sorry. So if you want us to, if you would like us to, and I'd like to fix that joint right there. That joint really sucks. But if you'd like us to buff that, let me know. And you have spray rails down here as well. The last question is, do you want us to do anything about this channel? This is called J channel, and someone's had it off here and just bent the living bejesus out of it. I'm thinking of leaving it in place and taping it off. And as you can see, there's all kinds of varnish on this right now. So taping off is not a really effective way of keeping the varnish off of it. So we just need to, I'll try to get creative in how we address that, but it's pretty bad. So, I mean, it's, we're gonna have a great shiny boat and beautiful boat, well protected, and we're going to have that little issue. So those are just some things I wanted to go over with you. I think that's all I wanted to go over with you. We're going to be working on the engine today, doing a compression test and getting the water pump off for rebuild. You shouldn't actually have to have a foot valve on that water pump. That water pump should prime itself. Anyhow, I think that's the whole shoot match. Gage is coming out today to go off a rebuild. We got a commitment from our rebuilder that she can do it in time. So anyhow, that's where we're at.